Hey, lovely people, welcome back to the channel where we dissect the mysteries of love, attraction, and sometimes our own awkwardness. Today, we're diving into a sizzling topic: 5 ugly habits that kill attraction. First, spoiler alert: if you're doing any of these, it might be time to hit the reset button, grab your popcorn, and let's jump right in. First up, we have the non leader. You know the type planning a date but waiting for the other person to make every decision. It's like playing a game of romantic chess, and you're just sitting there hoping they'll make a move. So step up. Suggest a place, make a plan, who knows, they might actually like your choice. Or at least you'll get a story out of it when the food is terrible. Next on the list is the oversharer. We all love a good story, but when your date feels like they're in a therapy session, that's a red flag. We don't need to know about your childhood pet hamster's emotional struggles on the first date. Keep it light. Save the deep dives for later when they're already invested. Trust me, sharing the juicy deets about your life can be great. But first, how about telling them your favorite pizza topping? You know, the important stuff. Coming in at number 3, the validation seeker. Look, we all want a little reassurance now and then, but if you find yourself constantly fishing for compliments, it's a mood killer. Asking, do you think I'm attractive every 5 minutes? Not exactly a recipe for romance. Instead of seeking validation, how about you try some self love? Focus on your strengths and let your charm shine. Remember, confidence is the ultimate aphrodisiac. So, next time you're feeling unsure, just remind yourself you're a snack and not just a stale cracker. Fourth on our list is the drama queen. We all have those days when life feels like a soap opera. But if every date feels like an episode of As the World Turns, you might be in trouble. You want attraction, not a drama club audition. While a little bit of drama can spice things up, excessive drama can drive people away faster than a bad date. So keep it light. Save the theatrics for your favorite TV show. Nobody wants to spend an evening navigating your emotional roller coaster. And 5, we have the pessimist. If every conversation starts with, well, that'll never work, you might want to rethink your approach. Constant negativity is like a wet blanket thrown over a bonfire, it just kills the vibe. Attraction thrives on positivity and excitement. So try to find the silver lining, even if it's as tiny as that last slice of pizza you didn't eat. Positivity is contagious, and trust me, your date will appreciate the sunny outlook instead of your rain on my parade routine. There you have it, folks. 5 ugly habits that can kill attraction faster than a bad pickup line. Remember, we all have our quirks, but being aware of these habits can help you attract the right kind of love. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with your friends because everyone deserves a chance at love. Let me know in the comments what habits do you think are attraction killers. Until next time, keep it fun and stay fabulous. Bye.